This video we will solve one problem on Poisson distribution, and the problem is the probability that a newsreader commits no mistake in reading the news is 1 divided by e cube. Find the probability that on a particular news broadcast he commits only 2 mistakes, more than 3 mistakes, at most 3 mistakes. Okay, so here newsreader commits no mistake is given. Okay, probability of newsreader commits no mistake is 1 divided by e to the power of 3, and the number of mistakes also not mentioned properly. Okay, so n tends to infinity, and when p is very small, take the problem under Poisson distribution. Okay, so number of mistakes they have not mentioned particularly, so we are taking this problem under Poisson distribution, and the formula is p of x equal to m to the power of x into e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial. Okay, and here they have given newsreader probability of newsreader commits no mistake is given. So x random variable x you are taking as committing a mistake. So then you can take from the data p of x is equal to 0. Committing no mistake is x is equal to 0. So p of x is equal to 0 is mentioned in the question as e to the power of minus 3. Okay, so in the next line you write the data p of x is equal to 0 is equal to e to the power of minus 3, and in the left hand side you write the formula m to the power of x e to the power of minus m divided by x factorial, that is p of x, by putting x is equal to 0. Okay, so when you put x is equal to 0, expression will be m to the power 0 e to the power of minus m divided by 0 factorial equal to e to the power of minus 3. Okay, when you simplify this, you will get m is equal to 3, and substitute this m in the formula of p of x, that is p of x, then it will become p of x equal to 3 to the power of x e to the power of minus 3 divided by x factorial. Then answer the first question, finding out the probability that particular in the news broadcast he commits only 2 mistakes. So now we will calculate the probability of committing only 2 mistakes. So committing 2 mistakes in the sense you are putting x is equal to 2 in p of x. So it will be 3 square e to the power of minus 3 divided by 2 factorial. And you will simplify this to get 0.22404. Okay. And second question is probability of more than 3 mistakes. Probability of more than 3 mistakes is given, and number of mistakes also they have not mentioned properly. So we cannot guess the limit there. Okay, so we are taking the failure. Committing more than 3 mistakes, more than 3 in the sense greater than 3 to be taken, and limit is not given. So we will consider from 3 to, it may extend to any number, and that to be taken as success. Okay, and to write the probability of this success, we will consider 1 minus failure. Failure is more than 3 will be in the success, so from 0 to 3 will be in the failure. Okay, so probability of committing more than 3 mistakes equal to 1 minus p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. So more than 3 will be in the success, so below 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 will be there. Okay, below more than 3 in the sense up to 3 to be taken as the failure. Okay, starting from 0. So this you have written. And in the formula of p of x, you just have to put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 to get this line. Okay, and after simplification you will get 0.3528 as the probability of committing more than 3 mistakes. And now next question is probability of at most 3 mistakes, meaning maximum 3 mistakes. Maximum only is 3 mistakes. So starting from 0, 0 mistake, 1 mistake plus 2 mistakes, like that you need to consider up to 3 only. So maximum is 3. So starting from 0 up to 3 you need to calculate the probability. So probability of maximum 3 mistakes equal to p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. So substitute, and the value of x as 0, 1, 2, 3 in the p of x formula. Simplify to get 0.6472.